It's strange but true. The outcome of the German elections has come down to a battle between the sausage and the cucumber. Or to be more precise, a Green Party proposal for a weekly vegetarian day. Do you think it's up to a political party to make proposals about vegetarianism?
Well, if they're making a recommendation, why not? But people shouldn't be forced.
Absolutely not, because it's not important for the political way that has Germany to go these days.
I don't agree with that. I think everybody can decide that for him or herself. But I'd like to have a vegetarian day, but it should be my choice.
I don't think so. I think it's a personal decision.
It may seem trivial, but this issue's really hurt the popularity of the Greens, and that could have a serious impact on the attempts by the opposition Social Democratic Party to form a coalition to rival that of Chancellor Angela Merkel.
And David joins us now. David, is it just this vegetarian day issue that's pulling the Greens lower in the polls?
Look, the whole issue on this vegetarian day proposal, Mark, this is just the latest thing in a whole series of mishaps for the Green Party, which has really had to sort of reinvent itself in a way because its main policies have been co-opted by the other political parties. Think about it. Angela Merkel wants to get rid of nuclear energy by 2022. Where do you reckon that idea came from? It came from the Greens. So in reinventing itself, the Greens has sort of been moving to the left. It's got proposals for a wealth tax. It wants to increase taxes on the highest income earners, and this is hitting a lot of their supporters because, think about it, who are the supporters of green energy and these sorts of things? One could say that they're the upper middle class tree huggers, and these are the people who are being turned off. Look at what's happening in the polls. The Greens have come down to 9%. 18 months ago, they were polling more than 20%. So there's been a marked drop-off in support for the Green Party because of all of these sorts of issues, and that, as I just mentioned before, has a big impact on the mathematics of how to form a coalition. The SPD, if it wants to form a left coalition, might have to bring in the Linke Party, which is the former East German Communist Party, and let me tell you, they've got some very interesting ideas about social welfare and redistribution of tax money from the rich to the less fortunate. So this is really the final thing for the Green Party, Mark. Very interesting election on Sunday.